Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. I hope you all are doing good at home. So, children, our today's topic is about healthy and junk food. So, first, in healthy food, we will be discussing about fruits. They come in different colors with different tastes. We all have our own favorite fruits. Vegetables. They also come in different colors with different tastes. We like to eat some very much or some we don't like. But children, I would like to tell you eating fruits and vegetables reduces the cholesterol level and contains antioxidant. They provides good immunity and gives freshness to our skin. They fight against the germs and the infections. They are rich in vitamins and minerals that makes you feel healthy and energized. They help in growth of children and make them strong. So children, make it a habit to add fruits and vegetables in your diet. Now, in healthy food, we'll move on to the next, that is pulses. They contain vitamin and micronutrition. They are incredibly rich in proteins, rich in iron, zinc and enhances the good health and eyesight. Now, in the healthy food, next is cereals. Children, you can see the examples here as of rice, wheat, and corn. Adding cereals and whole grains food maintains the blood level and they being high in fiber, which helps in heavy movement and also keeps you healthy and takes your weight. Next healthy food is egg, fish, and meat. Children, eating fish is very much healthy as it is rich in calcium, vitamins, minerals such as iron, zinc, etc. Egg. Eating egg is also very healthy, especially for the young children to support their growth as it's high in protein, vitamin B, vitamin D, B6 and so on, and minerals such as zinc, iron and copper. And eating meat also enhances your body. It helps in the bodybuilding also. Now let's move to the junk food. So far, I told you about eating healthy food, and I even told you about different categories which we include in healthy diet. Now, we will move to the junk food. So, students, what do you mean by junk food? Yes, any food that has poor nutritional value is considered as unhealthy food or junk food. Such food are usually high in fat, sodium and sugar. But why junk food even after so many demerits? Why we still go behind all this? Reasons are it is easy to cook, it saves time, it is ready to eat, it's easily available in the market, it is very tasty and comes in attractive packaging. Let's discuss about different junk food children. Burger. Very yummy. Move to the another junk food is cold drinks. You all are like to have cold drinks, isn't it? Yes, it's very sweet and you find the taste so interesting that you often go for cold drinks whenever you go out for picnic or for any outing, isn't it? And in the party this is main thing involved. Next is chips. Everyone is so fond of chips. It comes in different packaging with different brands. French fries, as you all like to have French fries. Ice creams. Students, we all love to eat ice creams. Isn't it, children? Noodles. It comes in different form like chow mein or various other types. Pizza. So cheesy and so yummy. Chocolates. All time favorite of everybody. Pasta. Very tasty and spicy and also delicious. Now children, let us discuss about healthy food versus junk food. As you have seen images of different healthy food and junk food which are easily available. Now it's in your hand to decide which one is good for you. So, after going through this differentiation, you will be easily able to identify into which group you need to follow more. I am not saying not to eat junk food at all, but I am saying to control your intake of junk food. Always keep a check whether you are consuming in excess or not, because anything in excess will harm the body. So now let's move on healthy food. See, it gives you fit and healthy body, whereas junk food it causes obesity and fatigue. Healthy food gives you more energy to work and play, whereas junk food have lack of energy. Healthy food improves concentrations, whereas junk food leads to poor concentration. Healthy food helps in proper functioning of all organs, whereas junk food causes high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes because they have excess of sodium and sugar. So, children, now it is very clear to you what are you supposed to eat. If you are taking junk food, also make it a habit that you will not get addictive to junk food forever. Take healthy diet. Don't make a habit of depending only on junk food as they are not going to give you healthy body. I hope this video is very much informative to you all. Thanking you. So do take care of yourself. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Thank you and Jazakallah